How do you implement ZTNA? There are two approaches to ZTNA implementation: endpoint-initiated and service-initiated. As the name implies, in an endpoint-initiated zero-trust network architecture, the user initiates access to an application from an endpoint-connected device, similarly to an SDP. An agent installed on the device communicates with the ZTNA controller, which provides authentication and connects to the desired service. Conversely, in a service-initiated ZTNA, the connection is initiated by a broker between application and user. This requires a lightweight ZTNA connector to sit in front of the business applications that are located either on-premises or at cloud providers. Once the outbound connection from the requested application authenticates the user or other application, traffic will flow through the ZTNA service provider, isolating applications from direct access via a proxy. The advantage here is that no agent is required on end-user devices, making it more attractive for unmanaged or BYOD devices for consultant or partner access. There are also two delivery models for Zero Trust Network Access: standalone ZTNA or ZTNA as a service. Here are the major differences. Standalone ZTNA requires the organization to deploy and manage all elements of the ZTNA, which sits at the edge of the environment, cloud or data center, brokering secure connections. Although this fits in well with organizations that are cloud-averse, deployment, management, and maintenance become added burdens. With ZTNA as a cloud-hosted service, organizations can take advantage of the cloud provider's infrastructure for everything from deployment to policy enforcement. In this case, the organization simply acquires user licenses, deploys connectors in front of secured applications, and lets the cloud provider, ZTNA vendor deliver the connectivity, capacity, and infrastructure. This simplifies management and deployment, and cloud-delivered ZTNA can ensure that the optimal traffic path is selected for the lowest latency for all users.